Good morning. Today is Friday the 22nd. You might be able to hear my kids in the background yelling and screaming. They joined us yesterday. But today for Foundations, there will not be a full lesson. I want you to save some time today. Maybe get outside a little bit. It's supposed to be really nice out today. It's been the past couple days. So if we could save you a couple minutes here or there, maybe even grab a book and go read out in the yard if you can, or on the steps if you can, but talk to your parents first, make sure that's all right. But for today, for Foundations, the only thing I need you to do, I want you to look at this video, which will be over the screencast, which will be over in a second, and I just want you to like it. So click the thumbs up button underneath the YouTube video. All right. I just want to see how many people are watching, who's watching, and things like that. Sometimes I can't always tell. I see when you submit some work, but I can't always tell from anything else. But I'm just curious. All right, so just go ahead, click that button. Then I want you to go. I want you to have a nice weekend. I want you to relax. I know it's Memorial Day. I want you to have some fun the best you can in this different type of situation. All right, keep up the good work.